Hello everyone, Brent Jaswinski here from Alpinestars, and today we'll be talking about the new Supertech M10 helmet. The result of over 7 years of intensive study, development, and testing, the goal of the Supertech family of helmets was to create the most advanced, protective, and performance-enhancing helmets possible for riders worldwide. As always with Alpinestars products, protection is paramount and our primary objective when we kick off the design process. The secondary objective was to engineer the perfect blend of excellent ventilation, unsurpassed comfort, and create helmets with the lightest weight possible, all without compromising on any other front. 2024 will see an evolution of the ECE 2206 safety standard that'll replace the outgoing ECE 2205 standard. In short, the new 2206 standard adds additional testing requirements to ensure an overall safer helmet. The original 2205 compliant SM10 already far surpassed both the existing and new ECE standards, but while we were at it, Alpinestars decided to make the best even better and improve in certain areas. The SM10's shell construction utilizes a highly advanced molding technology, with a multi-composite combination featuring a 3K high-density carbon outer layer, a unidirectional carbon composite layer, and an aramid fiber layer. The 3K high-density carbon outer layer provides excellent strength and efficiency of energy dissipation over the shell. The unidirectional carbon composite layer provides significantly greater radial strength around the shell, preventing compression but allowing controlled deflection for reducing transmitted impact energy. And the aramid fiber layer provides critical penetration protection. The helmet shell itself comes available in 4 anatomical sizes, offering construction optimized to ensure riders have the correct fit, which not only improves comfort and reduces overall weight, but most importantly, improves the effectiveness of the helmet in an impact. Underneath the helmet's outer shell is also a 4-piece multi-density EPS liner, with specific densities strategically positioned in different zones to ensure not only excellent energy absorption from impact forces dissipated over the outer shell, but also to ensure a close and comfortable fit. The EPS liner, just like the outer shell, has its own unique dimension for each helmet size, further tailoring the helmet's performance and fit when it comes to protection and comfort. Adding to the personalization and custom tailor-made fit of the SM10 is its unique and patented A-head fitment system. The A-head system allows the helmet to be tuned exactly to the rider's preference by having the ability to adjust both the height and angle at which the helmet sits on the head. With the micro-adjustable pad that is connected to the inner EPS liner, the A-head designs allows for an ultra-specific setup that can be adapted to how deep the rider's head sits in the helmet, as well as how far forward or back it's tilted. There are several other outer shell features which set this SM10 apart from other helmets on the market, one of which is the visor release system, which is a key part of the overall protection performance, as well as a major influence on the distinctive flush design of the outer shell profile. The Alpinestars system is designed to allow the visor to detach instantaneously in a crash when a specifically determined amount of impact force is applied from any direction. Then, rather than needing new screws, the visor can easily snap back into place. Allowing the visor to break away prevents the visor from catching itself on anything, and in return reduces the amount of rotational acceleration to the head or neck. Another outer shell design protection feature is the chin bar's profile, where the base area has been specifically sculpted to give a relief section. The bottom profile is not only raised to clear the collarbone, but also, instead of the hard carbon shell coming into potential contact with the collarbone, it's actually the softer EPS liner which extends beyond the helmet shell itself and is covered by a more flexible rubber compound. This design provides a reduced chance of any sort of collarbone injury, one of the more common injuries in motocross or off-road riding. And different for the new 2024 SM10 design, we have new side pads made from a semi-soft polymer for added protection with a larger contact area to help spread impact energy. They can, however, be removed and detached if needed. Further increasing the Supertech M10's protection offered to the rider is its multi-directional impact protection system, or MIPS for short. When it comes to ventilation and breathability, there are 28 individual intake and exhaust ports, not including the eye port, with 18 intakes and 10 exhausts. Most of these ventilation ports directly integrate the helmet's shell with a series of air ducts through the inner EPS liner. So airflow isn't just coming in through the ports, it's actively circulating over and around the rider's head through a series of channels and getting pulled out the back. The SM10 is in fact so well ventilated that we've also developed a winter accessory kit for 2024, consisting of a soft rubber plug design which easily mounts into the EPS liner to reduce the amount of airflow to the rider's head when unnecessary during cooler riding temperatures. This new winter kit accessory is also fully compatible with existing SM10 helmets. Inside the helmet, the internal comfort liner itself is fully removable and washable and features a CoolMax fabric interior and Drylex treated materials for best moisture management and for long-lasting freshness and quick drying. The cheek pads are also removable and washable and come available thicker or thinner in 5mm increments to customize the helmet's fit. Additionally, the cheek pads feature the Emergency Release System, or ERS for short, where they can be extracted efficiently and safely while the helmet is still on the rider's head, to allow ease of removal by trackside support or medical staff. The cheek pads on the 2024 SM10 will also feature a new curved 3D shape to perfectly seal the top and bottom parts of the rider's face without putting any extra pressure. Furthermore, the Supertech M10 is designed to have an eject inflation system fitted inside the crown of the helmet. Not mandated in amateur racing, but professional racing requires it, allowing for safe and easy removal of the helmet without putting a load on the rider's spine. Additionally, the Supertech M10 features internal hydration system compatibility. The chin bar EPS lining design includes channels on both sides, allowing the hydration hose from a water bladder to run between the helmet's shell and the cheek pads without the need to drill holes or modify the helmet. This is a unique feature extensively tested by Alpinestars rally and enduro riders, enabling a quick, convenient, and comfortable hydration solution for long or hot days in the saddle. Another less obvious feature is the SM10's wider chin strap. Measuring 26mm in diameter, it's wider than what safety certifications require, but it makes the strap safer and more comfortable too. With all this technology baked into the SM10 helmet, the all-new ECE 2206 and DOT rated SM10 tips the scales at 1,260 grams, or 2.78 pounds, making the SM10 one of the lightest helmets on the market. And finally, the biggest visual difference between the current and new 2024 SM10 design is of course the nose and mouth guard, which has been reprofiled and brought in slightly to eliminate any edges in favor of smoother lines to reduce the chance of catching and causing any sort of rotational force to the rider's head and neck. And for additional features, the new SM10 will also feature a new transparent tinted click-on visor extension to mount to the existing visor to provide even more protection from both roost and the sun when necessary. This system will also be retro-compatible with existing SM10 visors. The SM10 comes in a wide variety of colors and graphics, as well as in sizes extra small to 2XL. And as an added value, the SM10 will also come with a spare visor and a zippered helmet bag. For additional information about the Supertech M10, contact or stop by your local Alpinestars dealer or reach out to Alpinestars Direct. I'm Brent with Alpinestars. Thanks for watching.